Disgrasya na naman. Naka ano to? Ito nasa ano? Ay, ginagawa yan.
Ulan siya. Wow.
Dalawa sila nakadapa, oh. Ayun, nakadapa sila dalawa, oh.
Corgi yata yun.
Oh, patay na yata sila.
Ikenbao Medical Wellness Center Incorporated, managed by the Medical City Hospital.
Wala nang galaw.
Corgi yata yun.
Oo, patay na sila.
Must be a registered respiratory therapist with good communication skills and excellent customer service. Must be willing to work in their mind, Pangasinan. Physical therapist must be a physical therapist with good communication skills and excellent customer
Wala na, patay na
service.
sila.
Must be willing to work in Mayamang, Pangasinan. Transport orderly must be physically fit with good customer service and skills and must be willing to work in Mayamang, Pangasinan.
Dito yan guys sa Damortis, La Union, Urbada. Hanggang dito na lang ito yung video. Kakakilabot. Dalawa patay.
And Chas Hermano at jkqmwc.com. You may also contact them at 0967-390-5776 and look for Miss Apple Joy Hermano.